Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto protein breakfast cookies. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm going to show you how to make these keto protein breakfast cookies. They are perfect, nice cookie for breakfast. And now who wouldn't want a cookie for breakfast, especially a keto cookie, because you know it's going to be filled with nutrition, but also delicious. So we've got 1.5 cups of almond flour in this bowl, and I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I'm going to add in 2/3 of a cup of granulated sweetener. This is Lakanto. It is a monk fruit and erythritol blend. It is my favorite keto-friendly sweetener, but you can also use any keto-friendly sweetener that is a 1-for-1 substitute for sugar. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, kosher salt. Let's stir these dry ingredients together. Make sure there's no clumps of baking powder. Make sure they're all chopped up, evenly distributed. Okay, so where do I get protein from in a breakfast cookie for keto? Well, let me tell you about hemp hearts. These are perfect, protein-packed, but also very keto-friendly. So we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of those. Okay, let's stir in those hemp hearts. Okay, now we're gonna add in 2 beaten eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. So let's stir all of this together. Okay, our last ingredient is 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. I'm just gonna work those in to the cookie batter. So as you can see, these are very protein and nutrient packed, and also lots of healthy fats. Perfect for keto. Okay, I'm going to scoop the cookies out with this 3 tablespoon cookie scoop because I want a really nice large cookie. You could also make them smaller. This recipe can make as many cookies as you want, or like 16 cookies. And so we'll see how many cookies I get with this bigger cookie scoop. Okay, so we got 10 really good sized cookies. So I'm going to flatten the tops a little bit just so they cook a little bit evenly, more evenly. Okay, these are ready for the oven. They're gonna bake in a 350-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. Okay, here are our cookies out of the oven. They look fabulous. Let's crack one open. Ooh, they're so buttery inside. Look at that. And now let's have some breakfast. They're buttery, they're sweet, they're a little salty. They've got that crunch from the almonds. Those are so good. Be sure you try this recipe. Check out this recipe here for my keto taco pie. It's kind of like a crustless quiche, but it's like taco flavor, tastes just like a taco. You've got to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.